Just have such a headache. I wish I could kiss you better.
Seems like a good moment to talk.
You can stare as much as you like. My. I can tell you are a special one from a single glance. You have but to ask, and we can grant you a moment of pleasure. Don't be shy.
I used to work as a courtesan back home, and my sister as an artisanal masseuse. But men are treated like dogs by the Underdark's matriarchs, so we fled.
We found surfaces craved the body of a drow like a drug. Life is easy in our line of work.
It was not my work itself that has ever been a challenge to me. Merely the circumstances. I worked in this business in the Underdark, but it grew to festering monotony. The entirety of Drow culture is obsessed with bondage beyond reason. While such activities have their charms, I yearned to reach greater depths. And there is no society on this planet more laterally, imaginatively, and confusingly depraved as that of Baldur's Gate. Although of late, I do feel like I've seen everything. Perhaps you'll show me something new.
Silly. We are the gift. One free ride with me or my brother.
Or perhaps you have greater ambitions yet. Trust me, you don't want to miss my signature Mesobaranzan love trick.
Menzoberranzan love magic. A formidable practice, usually only reserved for pleasing the most insatiable matriarchs in the city of spiders.
And is that your partner with you? What a gorgeous couple. Perhaps we could come to an agreement.
We are twins. We can make up a little show of kissing each other, but when we are hired at the same time, there are often many other clients in the room to attend to.
Well, there are two of us, aren't there? Use your imagination.
Ah, you're lucky, sister.
Should I be jealous? At least you have good taste.
If your beloved one wants to join, we could work out something to our mutual satisfaction.
Two of us, two of you, 4 gorgeous people.
Whatever you wish. But with another pair is the only way we will both be happy to join you.
Be rid of that brute. There are scant few customers today. Isn't right. This might end up being good.
Why, hello, lover. That sounded more debonair in my head, I'll admit. Do you need something? Fine. What's on your mind?
Couldn't get us off your mind, could you?
Ah, you're lucky, sister.
Should I be jealous? At least you have good taste.
If your beloved one wants to join, we could Work out something to our mutual satisfaction.
2 of us? 2 of you? 4 gorgeous people.
Whatever you wish. But with another pair is the only way. Couldn't get us off your mind, could you?
Should I be
If you're
2 of us? 2 of you?
There's an idea. If you're comfortable sharing, so am I.
charming. For being a friend who helped Amira, we will charge a little less. Let's go. This is thrilling.
Have a lot on my mind. And, well, in it.
What can I do for you, my friend?
Wonder if the gods are watching me.
Just make the drinks.
Someone with all the power of the 9 hells.
One chicken wing.
Quite the merry little party we have assembled here. Shall we? I hope you're not afraid of the dark, my darling. I must snuff out the lights before we begin. It's all part of the experience. The room is bathed in total darkness, so there is nothing to distract from your ecstasy.
The lady, Nim, moves your hand to where the clasps of her blouse lie.
You know, I had a dream just like this once.
I'm surprised you needed the two of us for this to happen, but I am so glad it has.
Oh, Empyrean High Priestess, let us worship at your altar.
The Drow siblings fall to their knees in mock prayer towards Shadowheart, lavishing caresses over her thighs.
I could get used to this.
The night skips on, filled with fantasies Shadowheart seemed all too primed to suggest.
Did you want something? If not, I'm...
Give me a moment for pity.
We recover quickly, but not that quickly. With Baldur's Gate preparing